It's mad.
Let
And
it breathe.
people that live by data should die by data. And the data, according to Nate Cohn and the New York Times, says this. And let those who have ears to hear, hear. The very people who helped elect Barack Obama president of the United States twice, just elected in Wisconsin, in Michigan, in Ohio,
Well, Michigan's
and in
not
Pennsylvania,
called, but okay.
Donald J. Trump. It's the data. Michael.
That's right. You have to accept that millions of people who voted for Barack Obama, some of them once, some of them twice, changed their minds this time. They're not racist. They twice voted for a man whose middle name is Hussein. That's the America you live in. That even though this country is only 12% black, the vast majority of this country, especially its young people, if you remember, it was really the only white demographic he won in 08, was 18 to 35-year-olds. They poured out in record numbers. They made that happen. But if you put people through another 8 years where there's no middle-class jobs, they're struggling to get by, the basic things like you said, the price of a box of cereal doubles. These are the things that are important to people because they're trying to get by.
And
they're living from paycheck to paycheck.
And things are being taken away from them. And Professor Glaude, can I please add to that the Democratic Party took away their candidate in many cases.
No, I agree. The candidate who would have won.
Yep.
And
who would have challenged
stabbed in the back
Even though
Bernie Sanders.
I grant
That's right.
They took away
rigged
stuff.
the system from the start against Bernie Sanders.
And I think actually, I'll just say, reflecting on
And
this
that's why the
conversation,
Democratic Party has to, we have to take over, progressives have to take over this party.